perfection. Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Time to focus in. Good morning, YouTube. Appreciate you all for being here. If you have any questions, drop them in chat.
I know. From 007. $40 straight.
I have to focus in today. Could be a big day for us, so let's make it happen.
I took it. I didn't. I took a small scalp before, but no now. Oh, beautiful. Look at 946 coach.
No, you didn't.
Okay, guys, it looks like they're gonna do the massive though, huh?
No, you didn't. Grizzly, you here, bro?
Oh yeah, I'm here. I'm watching. Could be the biggest day of the week. I'm focused.
Yep. I think it can be. I think today can be really good, and so can tomorrow.
23,900 on NQ. That's the area I'm watching for a bounce.
I think both have a chance to be very, very good trading days.
What's up, YouTube? This is Grizzology. You can go to grizzlytrades.com if you want to try it for free. Welcome in, YouTube. Let's make some money today.
946, guys. Bottom of the week.
Let's see.
They already made the first move, which was from 007 to 946. Are they gonna continue dumping, or they gonna play games between this range before the dump? Uh-oh.
They better not be playing games. They better not play games with us.
I think they will play game because the dump is massive, man. The dump scenario is massive, so if they do it now, oh man.
Can you make me host, Grizzly? If you didn't already, I haven't looked.
Doing it now.
Coming now from the weak zone, guys. Coming now.
There we go. Screen share is on, everybody.
SPY's currently bouncing off a trend line, but I'm focused on NQ.
It's too risky to take the train now.
I'm going.
Hey, when they make the move from the opening. I hate when they do that.
Sipping some good coffee. If you have questions, YouTube, ask away. But I am watching for a bounce down around that 23,900 area. Ooh, some hot stuff. I like it. I'm looking through SPY QQ real quick. See what we got going on. Always hot coffee for me. I'll drink iced occasionally, but I like this plain black hot coffee.
What's your main watch for the day, Grizzly?
Just that bounce I said, the 23,900.
We got CPI tomorrow as well. We got CPI tomorrow.
Maybe they will hold the massive loan for tomorrow.
That'd be great. That would be great. And right now the trend.
I've tried honey before. I've never put butter in coffee for sure.
Long side setups until we show otherwise. Days like today with big moves are days that I wait for the first 15 minutes. At least. I mean, I do that almost every day anyway, but we had such an aggressive move off of data that I don't want to get caught in something that isn't within my system. So, music playing.
One thing I've noticed about days like today, once we have a big move or break above like a big level, people try to predict what's going to happen, and often it goes against them. So just trade levels, zones, like we do every day. Because I promise you, you don't know where it's going today. You may think you do. That's my 2 cents, everyone. Could be. We do have some 10 a.m. data. I can't find the news and event. There it is.
The NASDAQ moving down still. Let's see.
Wholesale inventories at 10 a.m. Good morning. Got kind of a big area I'm watching here. This whole area for a possible bounce. So start my watch around this 23,900.
Woo! Let's go!
Guys, getting outside of the week.
Oh yeah, I know I was unmuted.
Getting outside of the week.
For the people I gave the 2 accounts to yesterday, you should receive your credit already. I got the email this morning. Should be able to get your account rolling. Don't take profit.
Great. 9 to 1 on price action is still below. It's a possible short trade. The long trade will be price action above 946.
Okay, let's see.
If they stay below 9 to 1, it's going to be a big trade. going to be a big trade. Watching price action, approaching you.
Let's see. Where's our gonna market our London lows and highs? I didn't mark out pre-market high and low. Those gotta be blue. They gotta be blue. Like Gene's dog. Hey, Gene's here on time, everyone, by the way, just in case you were wondering. Gotta give credit where it's due. Gene was early today. I like to give him crap when he's late, but that means you gotta show that love too when he's on time. Do you? Trades better when he's late. Let's make some dinero, Gene.
Being patient, everyone. There's a trade to be made today. I expect to. Don't get your hopes up. I think today could be the best day of the week. We'll see.
You're funny, Gene.
Nine to 1. Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. So we gotta wait for 946. So it's another number 2. Played really well from the 007.
We're approaching the area I'm watching.
Now we need to see what happened at 9 to 1. This is the moment of truth.
Tell me what you want.
This is the moment of truth.
We literally sold off that whole news pump. Entire news pump gone.
Crazy bounce. Going back to 946. Right, so they use 9 to 1 bounce.
It didn't quite push up high enough for me to enter the data strategy personally. Some people got in. I seen in Team Bull. I didn't announce it or anything, but they know how to trade their own thing. Are we gonna bounce here early? I'm okay with a long entry here if we confirm. Ideally, though, closer to that 23,900. Uh-oh.
15-minute range is in. It is set. Let's mark it out. Let's find ourselves a winner. Let's find ourselves a breadwinner. Got NASDAQ marked out. Let's mark out the S&P 500.
You mean take profit? This is the email. That's who I sent. That's who the free accounts were through. Take profit. Making money through the automated strategies already. Let me make sure it took that. It may not have took it on my account. I can't remember if I turned on my connection.
All right, Gino, you come say hi to everyone quick. I gotta use the restroom. I got to pee early today. See you in the race war.
You got done with that baby bladder. Every morning.
Hello, everybody.
What's up?
Good morning, Grizzly.
Good morning. Okay, let's watch this candle here. I'm okay with confirming longs in this area, Team Bull. Ideally, I want closer to 23,900, but we could confirm a long entry here. ES already looks good for longs, but I'm watching NQ here. Well, it looks decent.
We're coming back. We're coming back with the hat forward and the glasses on, baby. We're in nerd dad mode. Let's find ourselves a banger, baby. Hats forward, glasses are on. I am no longer a blind man. I can see the light, and us making some money today. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yeah, there was an IPO today. I don't remember the ticker, but I did see there was a IPO. I did see there was an IPO. I'd love to just catch a nice big 100-point plus trend move. Great.
The ES possible long entry aged well. Still waiting on NQ though.
What are you watching for, Grizzly Glock?
Oh, I was looking at that. The cat. Remember when we opened the cash secured puts this week? They're up 87% if you all want to close them.
Oh, those options you sold?
Yeah, they're up 87%. All right, let's see here. I tried some longs, everyone, on NQ.
Grizzly in the longs. candle. I wish I had a bit higher volume, but looks good.
If we push down to 930, I'll add one more, but other than that, I'm just keeping my position. Well, hopefully it don't sell right back off. 946 is my average. $9.46 is my average here. I'm gonna keep my stop at 9.11, and if we push down and confirm in the main area, I will give it a go one more time. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
That ES looked really good. It's selling back off as well. What was that? Straight down to my stop.
Yeah, it was.
I like that trade a lot. Sorry about that.
Oh, the move is happening.
Oh my gosh.
Power to break 921.
Every time, man, that volume's lower. It always suckers get you on fake outs, man. That was just rapido.
I mean, at least it just didn't play around and chop us around.
Said nope. Said nope.
Just hope it didn't flush, sweep that, and just stop us out there. And
Well, we still have one to load up. Sweep two.
Taking anchor shots. Anchor shots. Entry 919. Top loss is 59.93. Anchor shots.
just pumps up after stopping me out there. I'm still looking for a re-entry, everyone. We may have to trade it with options.
So wonder shit me out to rehab and this doesn't go in that. Mine's is to no trades for me yet, guys. Just waiting. Stay patient. No trades for me yet. Just waiting. No trades for you, boy. Just be careful when we haven't had closes over below the 15-minute lower high. Let us get some clear directions and volume confirmation, and we'll get it.
Now I'm hesitant to re-enter longs. Oh. Greg, did it stop you out and rip down? Or did it stop me out and then rip up? That's the question. I don't use FFF. Nothing against it, just I don't.
European Southeast.
It's the high here, 51. We're at 20. Technically speaking, the orb got is close. I'm gonna watch for this pop up and see how. Two, 26, 30. So we got that closed below the 15-minute low. Watching this price action carefully. I'm interested in a short entry. I just need a little bit more confirmation. Need a little bit more confirmation. We also literally touched that whole site number 900 to a T, so I'm just staying patient. No new trades for me yet.
Come on, do something. Give us confirmation here.
No trades for me yet, guys. Waiting. We held that 900 well. Looking at shorts, we're also out basically at all-time highs, so I'm always a little more skeptical. Close. I'm not the biggest fan of all-time high trading, but we can still find some bangers. Four, 44, 34. Well, that volume looks horrible for the upside. We technically closed back above our 15-minute low. That volume looks awfully suspicious to the upside. You know, I always like to preface what I say with, we could do anything. We could go up, could go down, but this is not something I would take for a reversal just based off the volume. This could be the low a day and we could beat, right? It's technically possible, but as far as the system goes, I want to see more aggressive buying. This is pretty weak.
Volume is horrible.
So stay patient, guys. No trades for me yet. We're 30 minutes in. No trades for me. No trades for me. Just staying patient.
How much did that stop me out by? It must stop at 19.11. Bro, should have waited on that bounce.
No trades for me. Just staying patient, guys. Stop. They will not fake me out. Well, they could, but I'm going to do my best not to let that happen. Do my absolute best.
I say let the calls ride if anybody's in calls. What is this volume? It's literally not
It's
trying to
weird,
give us
bro.
an entry.
It's weird. Yeah, it's weird.
Is the data coming in wrong? This volume don't make sense.
Oh, let's see. This volume's weird.
I find it crazy how it just like swept my stop, then instantly went back up. What'd you say, Greg? $23,900 was from the watch list was it.
That was your bounce area, bro. Huh?
Yeah, I thought we was gonna confirm early on that candle.
Oh, gee.
What did I do with
Ooh, ES has a good orb forming. Higher volume too. That's technically something. If you like trading the orb, but ES does look very good. We have higher volume. Risk is defined 65.54 below 551. That actually looks pretty good. We have London highs above, so that can be a good price target.
Nice, Adam.
We'll watch ES for a pullback now. That does look good.
Days like this, when we're trying to capture these big moves, we trade NQ lightly, everyone, and we trade options to, because you can manage you have limited risk with options. So when we, like for instance, this trade, when our main watch is right here, it could chop us out a time or two with NQ. It happens. With options, we have the freedom to hold until the main area is invalid. You can't do that with NQ because you all know it'll smoke you.
Only about $3,000 or $3,000. About 3 points worth of risk. 5-5, call it around this like 5-5-5, or even 5-5-6 down to 5-5-2. There's 4 points if you take a high risk entry, but in here.
You looking for longs on NQ?
On ES, the orb looks decent. I just want to see a bit of a pullback.
I think NQ longs, guys. NQ longs.
Greg in the longs.
Yep, entry 970. Stop loss will be 950.
Oh, my back needs to pop. I'll let you know if I take an entry, everyone. I'm looking for, if we try longs, it'd have to be in this area here. For me, my strategy. Hope Greg's prints for him though. He said his average is 970.
The ES orb is playing out nice so far. We're right at the 50% retracement too on NQ. Woo! Okay. Not seeing a lot in terms of book math. Order flow, just stay patient. That's the biggest problem that most traders have is they can't stay patient. Can't wait for A+7s.
Greg stopped out. It's gonna be a trickier day than expected, but
I'm confident in finding a winner today. It's just probably gonna take me a bit longer. I got another hour and a half. I'm gonna trade for 2 hours today. I'm gonna trade for 2 horas. Is that 2 hours, Gene? 2 horas? Hey, I'm getting better. 2 horas.
not a bad idea, CDP. We can get a close above this. We could see the move back up. But right now, this is our volume-based resistance.
Craig, did you stop out of your trade?
Yeah, he stopped out. He said it on voice.
Oh. I didn't. No trades for me yet. Sitting flat. Sitting flat on the day. Sitting flat on the day. That's it in the A, yo.
What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Still in some calls, but I got stopped out at NQ earlier. And then it ripped up, trying to catch a move. And it stopped us out by not many points, and pushed up on the NQ. I literally hate QQQ options for day trading. I don't know why I trade them sometimes. Appreciate that, Alex.
We got a decent amount of, not a lot, but a little few sellers up here at 980. We also have CPI data tomorrow too, so that can give us some sort of move as well. Good. Not saying it will, but there's a very high probability.
See if it gets above this. If we don't get above the point of control, very well could see low day there.
Whoops. We're right in the middle too. If we do our Fibonacci tool from high to low, we're literally right at this 50% retracement. We're right in the area of decision making. Slightly favoring long still, but I need a little more confirmation. Slightly favoring the long side. My daily bias right now is to the upside until proven otherwise. That being said, I'm not in anything. Not in anything. No, I know. it looks like a buy to me too. It's a little risky for me right now. It would go against my system of 5-minute closes. Like if I wanted to just buy with more risk, I'd take longs and I'd keep my stops below 945, but it wouldn't be as systematic as I like it to be. I'd be basically going off of the fact that we failed that downside, had an aggressive impulse candle up, held midway through that candle, and now I'd like to target that 15-minute high. But I don't have all the confirmations for my system that I typically like to see. That's the only issue. But for what it's worth, that's my thought process right now. A lot of times my thought process when I don't enter ends up being pretty accurate, so we'll see. Just like the Jadon Gym indicator.
Oh.
I'm not in anything, guys. Oh, Gene, you like anything, bro? Anything you like? No? No trade speed today? Just that Asian session trade? Yeah, you better not. This man Gene made some red Asian. I said, you're not trading today, buddy.
Why has it been disappointing us? The sessions that we expect the most out of. We had we broke the key levels.
Looks like we have a slight
So let's just get the move we need.
We'll see.
Let these options print.
A little flag action for me.
Calls.
Flag action. Little flag action, baby. Flag action. Flag on the play. No flags for me. I can't have a flag on the play if I haven't entered any trades yet or any plays yet. You know what I've been really liking when I'm working in the afternoons, guys? This neuro gum. I got this new neuro gum. So for energy and focus, I've been ripping this stuff. It's fire. Little afternoon caffeine action. Fuel to grind.
Throw in a little Adderall. It's a party.
Oh yeah, it's great. I like it. Yeah, it's great. Still think we go up. I say that without a position, so I mean for what that's worth, but.
I've never tried Adderall. I was joking.
Sounding like infomercials on the Truman Show.
We finally got to close above this. We finally got to close above point of control on the 5-minute NQ.
This volume sucks, bro. That's my issue. Like if we would have had aggressive volume in this last 5-minute, maybe a pullback to like 960, keep stops below 945. That's a setup I'd be willing to take. But we don't have that. The volume I like to see for my system. DMs, we have 4 of the 6 spots filled for Friday live trading. I think I have a lot more DM. Right, you can see that here.
That's right, Danny.
But the volume wasn't higher, so therefore I didn't take it.
This is my last shot with NQ longs, everyone.
Oh, you tried longs?
I'm about to. I'm not in yet.
I like the idea too.
Just the volume's
Taking
horrible.
it, but if I were to take a trade, it'd be longs. I have not taken any trades yet. Oops.
I don't know if I'm gonna give this a try or not. This volume just isn't it.
No, it's terrible.
No, I'm not gonna try it yet. Let's be patient, see what this candle does. What is it? It's almost closed. Let calls ride and try to find a sniper entry to make some money on NQ.
Come on.
Okay. Let's keep pushing up on this horrible volume. May just have the price action like we did yesterday. The way it just climbed back up slowly all day.
We're up $2,300 for the week. Didn't take any trades Monday.
That's awesome, Ryan. That's one way to do it.
We'll see what today gives us.
How's everyone's calls moving?
Being very selective today, guys. Just waiting. I feel like it's going to be one of the...
I expected more movement out of them.
And if you've traded with me for a while, you know this. When we grind up on lower volume, that is my least profitable trading setup. I do not trade slow grinds up on lower volume well. I'm fine with trading the upside. When we have slow grinds up with these lower in volume candles, I know after 9 years of experience that that is not my edge. I don't trade it well. So I'm going to take that and trade and act accordingly. Holy shit, ES is really falling. Let's see if we get this orb right here.
Take a look at ES, see what we got going on. Let's see here.
See, we're getting closer. So if we get this orb retest from this 554, right around here, I don't love this candle at all right here. This aggressive reversal. I'll still watch how we react down here. If we can flush this and rebound. Five, 50 cents off. I'm only looking for longs right now. Only looking for longs. If we get, two aggressive trend-setting candles to the downside, then that changes that prerogative, right? We can start looking for maybe a reversal, but right now that's not what I'm looking for.
I'm just having a hard time to trust this volume, John. Still have calls running. What are you trading, Keith? I'm confused on what your entry was. I apologize if I missed it. I thought you were short. Good job, Keith. Love seeing you making money, man.
Could see this bounce down here, but I'm not fully sold yet. We missed longs again? What do you mean? All right, we're down at this 15-minute high orb on ES. See how it reacts. This is why I was waiting, guys. Now, if we get some sort of wick up here, right? We wick up and we close with this 15-minute high, then I would likely try longs, because we only have a 2-3 point risk, right? Probably 3 to 3.5 points. Got one more minute till this next 5-minute candle closes.
What's everyone watching in chat, YouTube? I need to look at that, actually.
Come on. You watching the market, Gene? You said you watching the market? What do you think's going to happen here? You think we're going to fall? Yeah, I can't long this candle either. Even if we end up bouncing here, this goes against my system 2 increasing trend setting volumes to the downside. Volume candles to the downside. I can't personally long this, and I also have a hard time shorting it too with the trend. So just waiting.
We get above 24,000. We shall consider a re-entry. Wish we just taken the 23,900 like I started to wait on. But that one confirmation candle, it didn't have quite the volume I liked, but it looks solid as far as price action. I got calls, but I wanted to make a bag on futures too. Horrible, horrible price action for trading NQ. Look at some individuals. Yeah, Hobbs, I like it. We didn't quite get to where I wanted for me to enter. Rondo, I never took one personally. Taught some, but
This is exactly what kills traders, is needing to force trades without A+ setups. Gotta be able to stay patient. Stay patient, Team Bowl.
a lot of trial and error.
Feels a little dumpy to me too. I just can't fully get behind either move right now. We have CPI tomorrow as well, guys. We have CPI tomorrow as well. We're holding these 4-hour previous resistance turn support at 900. As long as we hold that.
YouTube, if anybody's in the calls with still in the calls, make sure you set your stop to entry.
Aggressively, that could change.
Or a little in profits at this point. You want to let them run today. See if we can catch the move. I expect there's going to be a big move today or tomorrow based off technicals. And I'm trying to get us where we can catch that with options. If we don't, I just don't want you losing money again, because you can see the price action right now. It's not it. Maybe the next 20 minutes to hour, we'll see the move we want.
Dun. This divergence is crazy. I personally think ES looks a bit, well, both of them don't look great either way, but it's a bit better for shorts. No trades for me yet, everybody. No trades for me.
Rondo, just do it right. No need to rush it. There'll be plenty of time to catch trades. Focus on learning. You have to understand risk management before you ever start trading. So.
Price is right. Oh. Called that reversal. Well, unfortunately, calling things doesn't get me paid. Execution does. And I have not executed anything today. I don't think Grizzlies Irish can bite us yet. He's still here. Right, awesome.
Whenever I do that, you will not know. So.
Oh, sneaky.
There'll be no mention of it in chat.
Tesla's looking strong right now. We could find a setup on Tesla. Most of y'all don't trade options anymore, but
I'm trading options.
you do.
Oh, I say we hold the options if anybody's still in and let them push up as long as they will today or hit our entry and stop out.
People forget Team Bull used to only trade options. That's literally all we used to trade. There was we didn't even mention NQ or ES, bro.
Seems like every time I expect to have a nice morning session, it is chops and low volume. So I quit expecting anything. And cue flagging. Flagging. But the candles look horrible inside the flag. We're gonna have to get you selling options with us, Jay Dunn.
I should, bro. People keep telling me that, you know? Should.
Let's put you about maybe 100K, 200K in account. We'll sell some together.
That's what a lot of the big dogs do that have a lot of income, a lot of capital.
I do pretty well, man. I average between 800 to 1,200 a week from it. Until you get caught in the, sometimes I get more if I'm feeling risky, but you get caught up in the, holding the shares occasionally slows down the process some, but that's part of the strategy.
You're good at selling options, bro. And you've been consistently making money doing it for a while.
Yeah. My biggest month was like 30K from it. But I got GD in on it that month, and it was a wild ride.
Did you?
Yeah, we had some risky. We were selling cash secure puts on AMC. It was wild. My biggest loss month from selling options, I'm not for sure.
You know, our order flow is there's nothing on Bookmap right now. I mean, nothing. We have some pretty aggressive sell orders. Liquidity sitting up like 24.0, 25 a ways away. But besides that, you never really have traded SPX, huh, Grizzly?
SPX, I've never sold options on it. I've traded options.
Oh. I gotta start. I gotta start wearing my Garmin. I bought a Garmin watch. I honestly wanted to track my workouts, but you know what I wanted to do too? I wanted to see when I took trades if my heart rate was raising. So I swear, like I'll take some trades, and as much as I'm like calm, cool, collected, like I swear, my heart starts beating a little quicker. You feel me?
Start sweating a little.
Yeah, I just wanted to actually measure it, like looking at my watch, enter a trade, see if my heart rate goes up a little bit.
I have a video. I think I do, John, but the wheel strategy is what I use for selling options. Wheel.
Any of y'all wear
Like on a vehicle, wheel strategy.
Garmin.
You can Google that.
Your
YouTube.
heart rate move when you enter a big position.
What stocks am I doing that on at the moment? At the moment, what are we in? Let's see. I can never remember the ticker that we sold this week. I have to look. So we sold some on BMNR this week, some puts, but they're already ready to close out. TSLL is good, but it's kind of overpriced right now a little. So I like to sell cash secure puts on stuff I don't care to hold long term. Makes sense? Because if you get assigned, you're gonna have the shares. So make sure you do it at levels that make sense, and make sure they don't have like dividends that week, or something that could just throw you for the stock or whatever you're selling it on for. Get out of control, Tyler's gonna have a stroke while trying to trade.
What do you say, bro?
I was reading Team Bull chat. Tyler's gonna have a stroke while trading. You what's your heart rate? Your resting heart rate, Jada?
I don't know. I gotta check it. I'm not wearing my Garmin right now.
I have a low resting heart rate.
You come take over the stream. I'm gonna put my Garmin on. I want to see what my heart rate is. And if I take a trade, I want to see if it goes up. The people want to see you, bro. Your friends miss you in Team Bull.
I don't have a video in mind right now, Corey. I can try to look later though.
How'd Brandon do? Did he?
Yeah.
Individual? Yep. All right, everyone be nice to Mr. Dean. I'll be back in a sec.
I love my friends.
YouTube, I feel like I need to apologize to you for the horrible price action so far. Luckily the watch list did hit, but we tried an early entry right here to start this stream, and we got in like right here.
Merch, bro?
We got one here, added here, and it stopped us out at 9:11. But pushed down, touched that level to a T, then pushed back up. We're in calls still from down there.
Damn it! I had a feeling it was broke.
But the NQ did stop us out.
Well, I'm sitting here with my friends.
Yeah, just don't open and close it. Leave it, there's some, I can't remember the exact. Just make sure the consistency is right, and make sure you just don't open and close it. I don't know if they like that. I don't typically do that. I give it a few seconds,
Actors here today. Let's go, bro. Appreciate it. Do that at a movement like this.
It's horrible.
Honestly, thank you, bro. Literally.
The question is,
I know, I live in
do we
Colorado.
swing
I know.
some calls if we close above the trend on NQ? Some QQQ calls? Let's see, YouTube. Let's take a look back
I will teach you
around,
to not be stupid.
let me mute
Like me.
this. What was I saying? Oh, let's check back around power hour, see where we are with the NQ, QQQ, SPY, all that good stuff. We could have a possible swing trade here. If we close above the trend, which is around that, let me look real quick. I'll look on NQ. Where's this trend line? What is this? Okay. Let's see. My chart's like being weird and scrolling all the way out. I think as long as we close above that 23,900, we look solid for a possible call swing on QQQ. No, you don't want to short. The thing is, I know we're just chopping right now. We're looking at it on a very small time frame. But if you zoom out, and if you watch my weekly watch list on YouTube, we broke a high time frame resistance yesterday, or after hours, whatever it was. That 23,900 area, we had a 4-hour trend where we broke above it. If we hold, we could see that nice next leg up. So you're in this area are risk managed well. We know if we fail that, we get the daily close back below that trend, it's time to get out of the trade. No, Keith, I never swing. Well, I won't say never. I rarely swing QQQ or SPY puts or shorts. You do not want to bet against this market. Invest bullish long term and day trade level zones. And we could look for some leaps, but I don't think we'll need that much time on these options for the next leg up. Nice. Holding calls, everyone. I'm telling you, I'll hold them until it stops me out, or till the up around that pre-market high for the day trade. I'm not talking about the swing trade.
Easy.
Did Greg leave? I didn't even notice he was gone.
He did. Has anyone here ever tried Vyvanse?
What is
That
that?
had me feeling like Albert Einstein, bro.
I need some of that.
Developing the Pythagorean theorem type shit. Oh my gosh, dude, I haven't taken that since college, man. Well, almost 2 years of college and high school. Literally, call me Einstein.
All right.
I felt like my IQ went up 500 points.
YouTube, that's it for the live today. Like I said, I gave you what I'm getting. I gave you the plan with the options. If I take the swing trade, I'll let you all know.